The allure of exclusivity, more than just metal. They say money can't buy happiness, but can it buy access to a world most only dream of? The world of luxury credit cards is shrouded in an alluring mystique. These aren't your everyday pieces of plastic. They represent a level of exclusivity reserved for a select few. But what's the real story behind these coveted cards? The $10 million handshake inside the JP Morgan Reserve Card. Enter the JP Morgan Reserve Card, often dubbed the $10 million credit card. This isn't a figure of speech. It refers to the estimated net worth required to even be considered for an invitation. This card isn't just about flashy perks, it's about belonging to an elite circle, a world where personalized service and unparalleled access are the norm. Beyond the hype debunking high-end credit card myths, there's a common misconception that high-end credit cards equal reckless spending. The reality is far more nuanced. Many cardholders are financially savvy individuals. They view these cards as tools for managing their wealth effectively. It's not about showing off. It's about maximizing value and convenience. A world of privileges, unveiling the JP Morgan Reserve Card's perks. So, what does a $10 million credit card actually get you? The JP Morgan Reserve Card offers a suite of benefits tailored to a discerning clientele. Think exclusive airport lounge access, personalized travel planning, and a dedicated concierge service available 24/7. But the perks go beyond the material. Cardholders gain access to curated experiences, from private art viewings to exclusive culinary events. The elusive invitation, more than just wealth. Becoming a JP Morgan Reserve cardholder is no easy feat. While a substantial net worth is a prerequisite, it's not the only factor. The bank takes a holistic approach to evaluating potential members. They consider factors like investment portfolio, spending habits, and even philanthropic contributions. This ensures the card remains exclusive to a carefully curated group. The human touch, a surprising truth about the JP Morgan Reserve. One might assume that a world driven by such exclusivity would be cold and impersonal. The image of luxury often conjures thoughts of aloofness and detachment, where interactions are purely transactional and devoid of warmth. Surprisingly, that's not the case with the JP Morgan Reserve. This prestigious credit card offers more than just elite status and exclusive perks. It fosters genuine human connections. Cardholders often highlight the personal touch as a defining feature. They speak of the exceptional service that goes beyond mere financial transactions, creating a sense of belonging and trust. Dedicated account managers build relationships with each client, understanding their individual needs and preferences. These managers are not just financial advisors, they become trusted partners who anticipate and cater to the unique requirements of each cardholder. This level of personalized service is a key differentiator in the world of luxury credit cards. The JP Morgan Reserve cardholders enjoy a bespoke experience, where every interaction is tailored to their specific desires and lifestyle. From arranging exclusive events to providing tailored travel experiences, the service is designed to exceed expectations. The concierge service, for instance, is not just about booking flights or hotels, it's about crafting unforgettable experiences, whether it's a last-minute reservation at a Michelin-starred restaurant or a private tour of a renowned art gallery. The attention to detail extends to thoughtful gestures, such as personalized gifts and exclusive invitations, making each cardholder feel valued and appreciated. In a world where luxury often means distance, the JP Morgan Reserve Card stands out by bringing people closer, fostering genuine relationships, and delivering a truly personalized experience. Weighing prestige and practicality, is the Reserve Card worth it? This question often arises when considering high-end credit cards that promise a plethora of benefits and exclusive access. The JP Morgan Reserve Card is undoubtedly a symbol of status and success. It's not just a piece of plastic, it's a statement. With its sleek design and association with one of the most prestigious financial institutions, it exudes an aura of exclusivity. But is it truly worth it from a practical standpoint? The annual fee is substantial, and the requirements to qualify are stringent. It's essential to consider whether the card's benefits align with your lifestyle and spending habits. The answer depends entirely on individual circumstances and priorities. For some, the allure of luxury travel, access to exclusive events, and top-tier concierge services might justify the cost. For others, the high fees and stringent requirements might be a deterrent. For someone who travels frequently and values personalized service, the card's benefits can easily outweigh its high fees. The travel credits, airport lounge access, and elite hotel benefits can add significant value, making each journey more comfortable and enjoyable. However, for those who prioritize simplicity and don't utilize the extensive perks, it might not be the best fit. If your spending habits don't align with the card's offerings, you might find yourself paying for benefits you rarely use. It's crucial to review your financial goals and spending patterns before making a decision. Consider how often you travel, your preference for luxury services, and whether the card's rewards program aligns with your spending. Ultimately, the Reserve card can be a valuable tool for those who can maximize its benefits. But for others, a more straightforward, lower-fee card might be a better choice. Weighing the pros and cons carefully will help you determine if the prestige and perks are worth the price. Join the conversation, the future of luxury and finance. In today's rapidly evolving world, the intersection of luxury and finance is becoming more intricate and fascinating. As we delve deeper into this topic, we invite you to explore the nuances and emerging trends that are shaping the future of these two dynamic fields. The world of luxury credit cards offers a fascinating glimpse into the intersection of wealth, status, and personalized service. These cards are not just about financial transactions, they represent a lifestyle, a statement of one's place in the world. From exclusive access to elite events to personalized concierge services, luxury credit cards are designed to cater to the unique needs and desires of the affluent. They offer a level of service and exclusivity that goes beyond the ordinary, providing cardholders with unparalleled experiences and benefits. As technology continues to reshape the financial landscape, it will be interesting to see how these exclusive offerings evolve. The integration of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and biometric authentication is transforming the way we interact with financial services. Luxury fintech apps are now offering personalized financial advice, real-time transaction monitoring, and enhanced security features, making it easier for the wealthy to manage their finances with precision and confidence. The future of luxury finance is undoubtedly intertwined with technological innovation, and we can expect to see even more sophisticated and tailored solutions in the years to come. Will they become even more personalized and exclusive, or will we see a shift towards greater accessibility and inclusivity? The debate is ongoing, but one thing is certain. The demand for personalized and exclusive services is on the rise. As consumers become more discerning and their expectations continue to grow, luxury brands are being challenged to innovate and adapt. This could mean offering more bespoke services, leveraging data to anticipate customer needs, or even expanding their reach to include a broader audience. The future of luxury services will likely be defined by a delicate balance between exclusivity and inclusivity as brands strive to meet the evolving demands of their clientele. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you. How do you see the future of luxury and finance unfolding? What trends do you think will dominate the industry in the coming years? Your insights and opinions are valuable to us, and we encourage you to join the conversation. Further, reading. The rise of experiential luxury. How the wealthy are spending their money. In recent years, there has been a noticeable shift in how the affluent choose to spend their money. Rather than accumulating material possessions, many are now seeking out unique and memorable experiences. From bespoke travel itineraries to exclusive dining experiences, the focus is increasingly on creating lasting memories and enjoying the finer things in life. This trend towards experiential luxury is reshaping the industry, as brands strive to offer more personalized and immersive experiences that cater to the desires of their high-net-worth clients. The future of banking personalization and the rise of AI. The banking industry is undergoing a significant transformation, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are enabling banks to offer more personalized and efficient services, tailored to the individual needs of their clients. From AI-driven investment advice to automated customer service, the future of banking is set to be more intuitive and responsive than ever before. As we look ahead, it is clear that AI will play a crucial role in shaping the future of financial services, offering new opportunities for innovation and growth. The ethics of exclusivity. Examining the impact of luxury goods and services. As the luxury industry continues to evolve, so too does the conversation around its ethical implications. From the environmental impact of luxury goods to the social consequences of exclusivity, there are many important issues to consider. How can luxury brands balance the desire for exclusivity with the need for sustainability and social responsibility? This is a complex and multifaceted question, and one that requires thoughtful discussion and consideration. By examining the ethics of exclusivity, we can gain a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities facing the luxury industry today.